I'll just stay in with it. There's a hero. If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer. If you reach into your soul, and the sorrow that you know will melt away. And then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on. And you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. And when it feels like it's gone, look at that, you read my wrong part. And then you finally see the truth.
This is just a practice,
That
by
a
the way.
hero lies in you.
Yeah, stop it.
No,